chair. This is my purse. Let me get my chapstick out. If I can find it. Got it. Scoot up a little. Sorry if the lighting is bad. It's dark outside. I have a light behind me. But not behind me, behind my camera. I use Vaseline. Oh, sorry about that. That's acrylic paint. Because when I was in class, I had paint in front of me, so I decided to paint a couple of my nails. For example, this one and this one. My thumbs were white, but they came off. So I fixed the lighting for the rest of the video, but I never mentioned it, so just so you don't get confused. Okay, so I think first I'm gonna go through like my face makeup stuff. I have a bunch of stuff like out of the drawer already that I know I'm gonna get rid of, but I have some other stuff too. This looks, I used to wear this, but it looked really ashy and like cakey the last time I put it on, so I'm gonna get rid of it. And this made my skin break out really bad. I used it for a while, but then I realized it was probably what was making my face break out. And this is a Maybelline Fit Me concealer that I've had for probably like a year and a half. And this one, this brand, I don't know how to pronounce it, but it's like one of my mom's friends ordered it for me along with this, but I'm gonna keep this. This is a primer, Tarte Shape Tape, because it's empty. This powder stuff, because I can't get any more of it to come out. I'm getting rid of this, because I've had this for, I don't even know how long, a long time. I'm gonna sit on this floor. I'm getting rid of this too, and it's that same brand as the primer and concealer. I'm gonna show you the stuff I'm keeping. I look like a dead raccoon, oh my goodness. Okay, so this primer, this e.l.f. primer, is the Oil Control Primer Mist, so a little bit. This Maybelline Instant Age Rewind concealer. It's not my favorite. A lot of people like it, but I think it looks weird on my skin. And I got this one yesterday. It's the L'Oreal Infallible Full Wear. Concealer. I'm sorry, my mind went blank. Then I decided to try the Physical Formula brand of makeup, so I got a few things. Got this foundation. It's the Physical Formula, the Healthy Foundation. It's actually really nice. I like it. I just have this setting spray that I have in here that I don't use, but I occasionally use it on like my brushes and stuff. And for powders, I bought 2 of the Physical Formula things. This is like the setting powder, and this is a bronzer. And then I have my Tarte blush. I'm also going to keep this Fenty Beauty highlighter that I actually ruined by sticking my finger that I didn't realize had foundation on it into it. So I'm going to do my eye stuff. So I have way too much eye stuff. Oh, I got this color corrector. It's yellow. And it gets rid of like purple, bluish tones. I don't remember. This mascara is dried out, so I'm going to get rid of it. This is almost out, so I'm going to have to get a new one, but I'm going to keep that. This Bang Beauty eyeliner thing, I don't really like it, but I didn't give it a very fair try, so I might try it again. These 2 NYX brow pomades was the wrong color. This one's not, but I don't really know how to use them. this is the wrong color. So I think I'm gonna get rid of that. This is a white eyeliner. Black one. I need to get rid of this. It's the like tattoo liner travel size. I bought the normal one, so I also have it. And my brow pencil, the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer. And I have all these random colored eyeliners. And then some lash glue for lashes that I do not own. I need to figure out how to put lashes on. So yeah. Now for eyeshadow palettes and stuff. This is not an eyeshadow palette, but it's a highlighting palette. I'm gonna keep it. I'm keeping these two. And I'm gonna keep my the mini palette, the Morphe X James Charles mini palette. That's a perfect fit. Wow. Put the highlighting palette in there. I don't think I'm gonna keep these two, just because I don't really use them. For this bad boy, I occasionally use this one, sometimes this one, but I paid for this one. I don't want to get rid of it. I don't use this, but it has some nice colors in it, but I don't use it, so I'm gonna get rid of it. I love this. It's like gel glitters. I don't use this, so get rid of those. This cute little purple color that I honestly don't think I've ever used. Now I've gone through my makeup. I probably need to get rid of this because it's empty. So, do that. Oh. I got this. It's a completely wrong color. It's like orange. I'm not. Color. It's supposed to be the light to medium or something. But it's definitely not my color. This is all the makeup I'm getting rid of. Yeah. I don't know what I'm going to do with it. I don't want to throw it away, so I might see if anybody I know wants some of it or not. But yeah, that's it. This was such a boring video, but I'm trying to figure out things to film to post, because I want to post more. So, if any of y'all got ideas, let me know, because I want to film more. I want to post more. I just don't know what to post. So, yeah. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed the video, and remember to stay safe, wear your mask, and keep a 6-foot distance. Please. Anyway, hope you have a good day or night wherever you are. I love you.